Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I will be reacting Esther Namte's videos. Name of the song is One Land, One Heart. So guys, let's start the video. It's Northeast India song. Okay, let's start the video, guys. Enjoy, please enjoy. Awesome voice, see it. Very nice. Wow, man. What a voice you have. She made it, guys.
NorthEast vibes.
What a music, guys. Enjoy, please enjoy, guys. It's a very good song. Plus, she had a very good voice, man. So, let's continue, guys.
असम की धरती ब्रह्मपुत्र की धार
Yeah, Assam की धरती. She is saying about that, about Assam, and she is including all the Assam. There is notice there is 7 sisters, including all the states of Assam. There is 7 sister. Okay, 7 sister. 7 states, not Assam. Sorry, excluding Assam, Nagaland, Manipur. Okay, including all the states. She is singing a song. So guys, let's start.
मचल के छोटे बर्फ की चादर पान मेघालय की बारिश पत्थरों की कहानी मणिपुर की धड़कन हर रात में रावानी हर रात में मिजोरम की पहाड़ियाँ हर बिरशान प्रोडक्शन की सुकून के पहचान नागालैंड के नगाड़े आजादी की पुकार अलग जुदे एक परिवार
Hui tak ma video Esther Namte isom alay suokta hanasa hilay hui ti tak sapla ko na sakthaya hindi ko na sakthaya hilay hui tema tengso best concept ni peng excellent.
Slow life through a song Folk beats take control Dance till fire burns bright Northeast shining tonight No grudges, no moral fame Unity is our name 7 sisters it came to One land, one heart, me and you
Very good song, very good song.
Singer beyond the beast Be who farm in the village lead
She has included even bihus also. Very nice. Thank you for singing for us. There is a psalm. I like it.
One dami nag-provide lang Home bill vibes, bring the whole crowd Kasi garo, Jinsen show Mongala jams go boom boom low Cookie may taste stories untold Manipur moves in rhythm bold Lekirwani mizawat mabasora Jab char khud pe yaad rakhna na
Even she has included Chapchar Koot also. Okay, he is one of the most Koot of traditional festival of Mar also. She has included. Very nice.
Tripuri se dekha chika bulawa Asta संस्कृति अधिक साया निशी आदि पहाड़ों की ढाल उसकी गंतिया सड़ी की बाहर लज्जा भुतिया
Esther Namte hi atina ta lasak thiama atina tin tia ta lasak thi thiama the solfa yakun thiam ti tunga lasak ma afena din oi ko mi ong sang dik mai se thagti tak taka eni mai na hi ngana china ta la se in the la tu ai thak orang ni ta mizoram ko ma
Singing the cloud and a true low jazz It stays rise, no enemy Northeast India unity We don't chase the city glow Roots are deep where forests grow Hand in hand, side by side This is home, this is pride
Very nice guitarist. Bro, I give a thumbs up for you. Very good.
अलग भाषाएं धड़कन की टान हर मुस्कान
Even she is singing in even in Hindi also. Very nice, very nice. Excellent.
में बसते
Esther
घर
Namte.
कमान आते आते जियो जिस्म सबूत खोले और अपने धीमी जिंदगी सच्ची आत्मा लोग दोनों का जादू.
What a voice you had, girl. Very good, girl, man. She had a very sweet voice. Even when she will become younger, when she will elder, she will be having more than very good voice than this. So guys, keep it up. Keep it up, Mr. Mante.
सुबह की रोशनी तक नाचे आज Northeast जले उजास slow life their soul full beats take control dance till fire burns bright Northeast shining tonight no good
Kiam tak tak Esther Namte therefore dane ko matkiti tak taka and the action for dane ko I like your action also, even I like your action and your voice, your makeup, your dress up, everything I like it. No any compromise for this.
It's no more of fame, unity is our name.
Wow.
7 sisters, it came to one like one heart, me and you.
Loam from my side. Very good sound of flute. Very good. Okay guys, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Good night.